So here we are for day 2 of our Diamond Mountain Speedway Independence Day 2-day race. So it's technically the 5th, but we still got a lot of cars here. Had some good racing last night, had some interesting wrecks. There was a rollover. As far as I know, the driver is okay. I don't know, I haven't seen that car here. I don't know if they're still here or not, but we'll see if we can't keep an eye out for them. But let's go see what we got. So we wound up having, I think it was 10 sprints, I believe, total last night. So we'll see if we get any more. It looked like there might have been one that was a newer one. Let's go and see what else we can find. Got the tech pad set up over there. I'm gonna check some of that out. So we still got room for more if you want to come down. Got one pulling in there. It's like stocks, mini stock. So if you look, there's some boards and wood on the ground there. I believe that is for scales to weigh the vehicles, weigh the cars, because in the rules and the guidelines there are minimum weight requirements, and if they're not at that minimum weight, then they can be disqualified or they can get in trouble. So something kind of behind the scenes you don't have to see. One of the ways they try to make sure they're keeping it within the rules. So Boucher, he was fast last night in the minis. Actually, our red, white, and blue stock over there had a unfortunate meeting with the wall, but it looks like they might be back. So that's pretty good. Love the shirt.
And then she just like took her arm away and ran off.
Okay, I can't help with the bad joke. I hope this doesn't mean that the Marvels have sold out. I know, I'm kidding. Still available, still for sale, and I actually think he was in the top 3, I want to say. He might have won, I don't remember for sure. Crazy Kate, and her Spider-Man modified. EMS chassis car. Yeah, it was actually kind of interesting. The 3 modified down there, I forgot to mention while I was down that way, they had rear end issues last night. And so the entire rear end was completely off center, off kilter, and they still wound up winning their heat. So anyways, I got music going here. I don't know if I'll be able to get monetized or not, so I'm going to pause it and we'll catch up. Alright, just down just a little bit from where we were. Seeing some more pulling on in. Looks like probably an IMCA stock, maybe? I guess. I don't think that's the right wing. It was absolutely insane and awesome seeing 10 of those things out on the track last night, though. I didn't notice it, but this Mini here, they actually have Bible verses on their car. So I thought that was kind of neat seeing that out here. Me personally, I appreciate that, but each their own. I personally kind of believe that's why they have them for circle tracks, so our guardian angels can just sit above. But that's my take on it. EMS team, her crew. Says Still looks like pretty good on that side. How about that other side? Not bad, looks good, as far as I can tell. Making sure they're charged up, ready to go. Love all the patriotism. Alright, we're gonna head over there and check over those. Catch up in a minute. Alright. So our last few over here. Got Woody, our announcer. Woody! Yeah, got the, is he 10 or 11? One of the youngest racers ever here. He actually was doing pretty good. He actually stayed up in the top 3-5 for a good portion of the race last night. One last sport mod, and come over here and check out this end of the track. It's kind of surprising when you come down here how much room there is. It doesn't look like there's that much when you're up in the stands. It's a lot bigger when you're down here than what it looks like from the stands. It's a process. We're working on it. Hope you guys had a happy and safe Independence Day, 4th of July. And we had a nice one here. I was able to enjoy the fireworks with family and that. It actually was a really good show. It was kind of weird because it seemed like they had almost like commercials almost, where they kind of do a little display and they'd go back to doing some bigger ones and that. But it was pretty good though. I liked it. I do have that video. I will be uploading it. I might actually see about uploading that today to give you guys something else. So anyways, stay tuned for the hot laps and keep them shiny side up. We'll see you next time. See ya.